Hi, friends. I just wanted to tell you a couple other little tips for when you are doing your typing on Google Slides. If you misspell a word, it is going to underline it in red. So, let's say I didn't add the E to the word because. See this little squiggly red underline? That means something is misspelled. So, if I take my mouse and I right click on it, it's going to say, did you mean because? And it'll correct it. If you are using a trackpad, I believe you press Control or Alt and then click on the red squiggly line. One of those should work. And then you'll see the same thing. However, you have to still be really careful. If you wrote the word, if you spell desert with two S's, it actually spells dessert. So it's not going to show up as a misspelled word. So you need to be super careful when you're typing that you're typing your and spelling your words correctly. Since all of your information came from books, they should be spelled correctly. But if you do see one of those squiggly red lines, now you know how to fix it. One other thing that I wanted to show you is it is very easy to delete a text box, which is what this is called, or even a whole slide. So do you see how my cursor right here is blinking? That is a good sign. So if I press backspace, it's just going to erase one of my letters. But watch what happens. If I don't have a cursor, I don't see that blinking line, and I press backspace, it all disappears. So this is where that handy trick comes in of Control Z. If I press Control Z, it comes back. I can also press this little arrow, this back arrow up here, and it will also come back, okay? Now, let's say that you don't have any blue boxes and you have like one of your slides highlighted. If you press backspace here, watch what happens. Your whole slide will erase. So you have to be super careful that to always make sure before you press backspace that you have your cursor blinking somewhere, okay? Now, again, it's an easy fix. You press Control Z or you press your undo arrow and it will come back. If you really are having a tough time, you can ask your parents or your older siblings to help you, or you can log on to Zoom and I can help you get back whatever you need to get back, or catch you up if you accidentally erased a bunch of stuff that took you a long time to do. Okay, we'll see you later, friends.